1. Warm welcome and recap. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our beginner English course. This is day 4, talking about hobbies. We are learning together every Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. So far, we have learned Lesson 1, Greetings and Introductions. Lesson 2, Talking about daily routines. Lesson 3, Talking about family. Today, we will learn how to talk about hobbies and free time activities in English. This is a very useful topic, because when you meet new people, they often ask, "What do you like to do in your free time?" Part 2, Vocabulary, Hobbies and Free Time Activities. Let's start with some common hobbies. Repeat after me. Reading books, watching TV, listening to music, playing football, soccer, playing cricket, playing video games, drawing, cooking, traveling, dancing, singing, swimming. Practice tip, say, I like plus hobby. For example, I like reading book. Part 3, Simple Sentences. Now let's make some sentences. Repeat after me. I like listening to music. I like playing football. I like reading books in the evening. My hobby is cooking. My brother likes video games. My friend likes swimming. Part 4, Asking and answering questions. In real conversations, we ask people about their hobbies. Let's learn some questions and answers. Question 1. What are your hobbies? Answer. My hobbies are reading and cooking. Question 2. What do you like to do in your free time? Answer. I like to watch TV. Question 3. Do you like sports? Answer. Yes. I like football. Or, no, I don't like sports. Part 5, Dialogue Practice. Now let's practice a short conversation together. I will play one role, and you will play the other. Ready? Dialogue 1, Meeting a friend. What are your hobbies? My hobbies are reading and listening to music. Do you like sports? Yes. I like football. That's nice. I like dancing. That's great. Dialogue 2, Free Time Talk. What do you do in your free time? I play video games. Do you like traveling? Yes. I like traveling very much.
Great job. Let's try again. Speak louder and more confidently. Part 6, Fun Practice Activity. Here's an activity for you. Take a notebook and write a list of your hobbies in English. Then, write 2 sentences for each hobby. Example. Hobby, reading. Sentence 1, I like reading books. Sentence 2, I read books every night. This will help you use hobbies in real conversations. Part 7, Mini Quiz. Let's do a quick quiz. Answer out loud. What is the English word for playing games on a computer or PlayStation? Playing video games. Complete the sentence, I like dash music. Listening to. True or false, swimming is a hobby. True. What question do you ask to know someone's hobbies? What are your hobbies? Say one hobby you like in English. Very good. You are learning quickly. Part 8, Wrap Up and Amp, Homework. Today we learned how to talk about hobbies and free time activities. Hobby vocabulary. Sentences with I like. Asking and answering questions. Dialogue practice.
Homework. Write 5 sentences about your hobbies in English. Example, I like cooking. I cook dinner every day. I like reading. I read books on weekends. I like traveling. I travel with my family. Post your sentences in the comments below, and I will check them. Don't forget. New lessons every Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Watch the previous lessons if you missed them. Great work today. See you in Lesson 5, talking about weather.